Hello everyone. All right, so I saw a question online under implicit differentiation. Under implicit differentiation. All right, so and what was the question? The question says that if x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 minus 2x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0, question says we should evaluate dy dx when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Alright, so without wasting time, let's trash that question sharp. So here is the equation: x squared plus y squared and minus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equals to 0. If you check my previous video on implicit differentiation, I've already told you how to differentiate implicit function. All right, so let's differentiate x to the power of 2. X to the power of 2 is going to give us 2x plus. All right, let's differentiate all right, so if we differentiate y, first differentiate y, normally you're going to get 2y. Then you are now going to differentiate, write that y as dy dx. I have explained this and the concept behind this in my previous video. All right, so I'm going to use chain rule in that side. If I differentiate 2x, I'm going to get 2 minus. Now let's differentiate 6y. If I differentiate 6y, I'm going to get 6. I'm going to get what? 6. Then that y itself means dy dx. Then if I differentiate 5, that's 0. Then everything is equal to 0. Do you understand? So we are going to rearrange, bring all the y dx together. So I'm going to have something like this: 2y dy dx minus 6 dy dx. Then all the this and this, take them to the right hand side. So you have equal to, that's 2 minus 2x, right? So from the left hand side, you discover that dy dx is common. That is dy dx into bracket. So I'm going to have 2y minus 6, right, is equal to 2 minus 2x. So what am I going to do? I'm going to divide both sides. I'm going to divide both sides by 2y minus 6, 2y minus 6. So that 2y minus 6 will cancel out 2y minus 6. So I'll be left with dy, can you see, dx is now equals to, so what do I need to do? Very simple. Don't forget that from the beginning of the question, we're made to know that what at x is 3 and y is 2. So here, x is 3, y is 2. So I'll just substitute. Anywhere I see x, I change it to 3. And wherever I see y, I change it to 2 minus 6. So this means that dy dx at x equals to 3 and the y equals to 2 is equals to, that's 2 minus 2 times 3 will give us 6. That's 6 divided by 2 divided by 2 times 2 will give us 4 minus 6. So finally, I'll have something like this: dy dx at x equals 2, x equals 3, and y equals 2. It's going to give us 2 minus 6 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 6 minus 2, and that's going to give us 2. So for that question, the answer is 2. Thank you. My name is Sokoko. Do well to follow my page